Hey, do you want to learn how to make shrimp and grits? Welcome back to Cooking Vegan with Johanny, and today I'll be showing you how to make shrimp and grits using lion's mane mushrooms. And here we have our ingredients. We're going to be using polenta grits, and it's yellow and it still holds its nutrients. Here we have evaporated coconut milk. We also have cheddar cheese, and we're using the Follow Your Heart brand. Here we have bacon, and it's plant-based and it's made out of coconut. Here we have our lion's mane, our vegan butter that we're going to be using, and here we have our seasoning. I'm using garlic, onion powder, adobo seasoning, and this one doesn't have any MSG, black pepper, smoked paprika, and pink Himalayan salt. And we're also going to be using some lemon for this recipe. Alright, let's get started. And this is lion's mane. This is what it looks like. This is the texture of it. And this is what we're going to be using to make our shrimp. Here I have my garlic, and I'm going to be using a dicer. So I just put my garlic in here. Press it down. And I'm using 6 cloves of garlic. And this is how it should look. We're going to be using that for our mushrooms. I love to use fresh garlic in my dishes because it brings out the flavors. That's how it's going to look after you mince your garlic. Here we have our mushrooms, our lion's mane mushrooms, and you're just going to peel them apart. You don't need to cut them, just peel them apart and in little bite sizes. Don't separate them too small. Just have a nice little size so we can cook them. I'm going to imitate shrimp. Once you do that, you're going to add oil to your cast iron. You're going to add your mushrooms and make sure you keep them nice and separate so they can cook well. You're going to love this dish. And you're going to add in your seasonings. We have garlic powder, adobo, onion powder, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper. Then once you do that, you're just going to give it a nice mix. You want to add butter to your pan, and then you're going to keep sauteing your mushrooms. And the reason why I use butter, because I want to give it a butter garlic taste. I always wanted to make this recipe. Shrimp and grits has been a favorite of mine, and I wanted to make it plant-based. Now for our grits, we're going to be using evaporated coconut milk. And the reason why we use evaporated coconut milk is because it's going to give it a creamy texture. And now we're going to add some water, and we're going to bring to a boil. When you make grits, you want to do a 4-to-1 ratio of grits to liquid. Now you're going to bring to a boil. Make sure your mushrooms don't stick to the pan. Add in your minced garlic. You're going to saute that for about a minute. And once you saute your garlic for about a minute, you're going to add some smoked paprika. And you're going to keep sauteing it. You're going to turn down the heat. You will really enjoy this recipe. This dish right here, you can make it for brunch, for lunch, for breakfast, for any event. And you can pair it with my vegan French toast. The recipe is on my channel. And let it cook. Now for our grits, we're going to add pink Himalayan salt. Gonna give that a mix. and then we're gonna add in our grits. You're gonna slowly add it in and whisk it in so it won't stick to the pan. You're gonna whisk it the whole entire time because you don't want it to stick until it gets to a nice creamy texture. And the reason why I use the yellow grits is because it's polenta grits. It's not the one you buy at the store, the white grits. The white grits lack nutrients. And so the reason why I use the polenta is because it's nutritious. And now for our lion's mane, we're gonna add some seaweed. This seaweed, I put it in a blender and I made it into a powder, and you're gonna put it in to your skillet. It's gonna give it that seafood taste. One thing about me, I love to cook in cast irons because it just gives the food an amazing taste. It gets back nutrients to the food as well. And if I'm not cooking in a cast iron, I'm cooking in stainless steel. Those are the two type of pots that I use. I recommend using cast irons. They're amazing. You want to squeeze some lemon juice into your mushrooms. I'm going to saute that. Now we're going to place our grits into our bowl. We're going to add our cheddar cheese. We're going to put it in the oven until your cheese melts. Then we're going to add in our lion's mane mushrooms on top. It looks so delicious, don't they? Let me tell you, grits by itself, it tastes good. But grits with cheese, to a whole nother level. You must melt the cheese though, because that's when it's gonna be super flavorful and it's gonna melt in your mouth. Mushrooms, the reason why I saute these mushrooms is because I try to go the healthier route and not fry them. So here I made them sauteed, and then I added the bacon bits. Can you believe those bacon bits are out of coconut? It's crazy, right? I really do love this recipe. If you like seafood and a good breakfast, you get both combined. And then I top it off with green onion, which also tastes super amazing. All of this combined, you will love the flavor. I'm telling you, you must try this recipe. It tastes so good. Now I'm gonna grab a spoon right here and you're gonna see that cheese. Oh wow, it's so amazing. It just melts in your mouth. It tastes so good. It's a great alternative for shrimp, and you can have it for breakfast. You can also have it for brunch, and you can pair it with French toast. I have a wonderful recipe on my channel. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I really did. I put in a lot of thought to make this shrimp and grits vegan style, and you guys, we on a road to 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.